What if I told you that you could make more than $100 PayPal money by simply viewing YouTube videos? Welcome back to my channel. This is MetaUverse, bringing you awesome videos about cool tech, making money online, and much more. YouTube can be accessed from any place on Earth. And right now, all you need is a phone or a computer. I will show you some examples and videos. Remember, I have a little surprise for you at the end of this video. It's an insider tip that can help you make 5 times as much money just by watching YouTube videos, so stick around and watch until the end. Let's start right away. First, go to youtube.com and click the sign in button at the top of the page. This will bring you to this page. If you don't have a YouTube account already, you can make one for free by clicking Create Account and choosing For My Personal Use. Then you can sign up for a free Google account and YouTube. After you've logged into your YouTube account, on the left side, click this button. Scroll down and look for Explore. Here you can get some of the best videos on YouTube. YouTube will show the most popular and best performing videos in categories like music, gaming, movies, news, and so on. In this video, I'll show you a secret way to do something that no one else knows. So, click gaming and you'll be brought to this page. So, for the first bonus tip, I want you to pay attention to the Fortnite video game genre, which is one of the most popular games right now. When you click on Fortnite, from there, you'll be taken to a page with videos about Fortnite gameplay, including one that is live streaming right now. Now, you can move on to the next step by clicking on any of these live videos. They have a live stream going. If I click on this one, it will take me to this page. This video is being watched by a lot of people, as you can see. Then we'll go to the second site, 7r6.com, to turn those YouTube videos into real cash. On this site, you can shorten URLs and sell them for real money. So the idea is pretty simple. You sign up for a free account on 7r6.com, and then use that account to shorten the URLs of different YouTube videos. I'll tell you exactly how to do it in a minute, and you can start making money from each video you make. Now I'll give you an example and show you how it works. If you're watching these videos on YouTube, look for the share button below. When you click it, you'll see a link to this game video on YouTube, which you should copy. Now, all we need to do is go back to 7r6.com and paste the YouTube video's URL link into this box. Now, as you can see, all I did was copy the link to the YouTube video and paste it into this box. This site will automatically change and shorten the long YouTube URL link into a new, different link. You will now get paid every time someone clicks on this one-of-a-kind link, as you can see. That's how all of these guys here on this website can make so much money every day. Once you have earned money, you can put it into your PayPal account, WebMoney account, Perfect Money account, Payoneer account, or any other account that's available. There are a lot of different ways to get paid. So the first thing I want you to do is go back to the home page and click the Sign Up button. You'll be sent to this website, where you can sign up for a new membership. Again, this is free and can be done from anywhere in the world. I'd like you to enter your username and email address, make a password, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click the Register button. After you create a new account and log in, this is what your dashboard will look like. From here, click the button at the top that says New Short Link. We'll copy and paste our YouTube URLs there so we can make money by shortening them. Next, go back to our YouTube video, click the button that says Share, and copy this URL link. Then we'll go back to our dashboard and paste our link here. And under Alias, type Fortnite, which is the name of the video, and then click the Shorten button. So there it is, the shortened link. So for step 3, go back to YouTube and do the same thing with up to 3 more videos. If you copy as many YouTube videos as you can and shorten the URLs, you'll make more money. Let's move on to the next step. I'm going to watch this video. That will take me to another video that's being streamed live. Then we'll do the same thing all over again. After clicking share, copy the second URL link and paste it into the box on your 7R6 dashboard. Then we'll just type Fortnite 2 into the alias field and click shorten. That's the second link we were able to shorten successfully. Remember what I said and do what I said. You have to find a few YouTube videos first, then copy the link and use 7r6.com to shorten it. The last thing you need to do is go to steamcommunity.com. This is a place where a lot of people talk about how to play different games in different ways. Basically, you can make a free account on Steam Community, write a post about Fortnite or any other popular game, and include your shortened URL in that post. From there, a lot of different people will click on your link. They'll look at your link, click on it, and watch the video. And you'll get paid for every click, and one video could make you hundreds of thousands of dollars. For those of you who are still watching, I have a secret tip that will help you make 3 times as much money as the average person. This site will be private, and I won't tell anyone else about it. But for now, I'd like to tell you that moot.us is the secret. Basically, this is a unique forum where different people can talk about the game Fortnite. And a lot of people are sending in different pictures and videos. All of these Fortnite gameplay videos are getting tens of millions or even hundreds of millions of views. Since you've gotten this far, I'd like to tell you about this chance to make more money, especially if you focus on this category. When you copy the URL to these live streaming videos, you could get hundreds of thousands of clicks and a lot of money. As an extra bonus I promised you, I'll give you this free template that you can use right now to make a lot more money. So you can just post it to the Steam community on the moot.us forum using this template. From there, a lot of people will click on your shortened link, which will make you a lot of money. This is just one of many times when a lot of people will click on your link. This is how I put the template together. Have you guys seen this amazing video of Fortnite being played? It blows my mind. Right now, you can watch the live streaming video. Here is where you should put your shortened link. Just go back to your 7R6 dashboard, copy this shorter link, and then come back to our template and paste it below. You only need to copy and paste this entire template onto this page. You don't have to put in a lot of work because these gaming videos are getting a lot of attention and are very popular right now, especially if you find a good video on YouTube that has a lot of views. Because of this, a lot of people will click on your short links. This is how a lot of people can make a lot of money from every video they watch. And that's all. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.